the count of 3, everybody, varai maziso. 1, 2, 3. Varai maziso. Come on. Varai maziso. Blind taste, everybody open your mouth. So we're going to taste something that's exotic. Chikafu chinonaka ichi manje. Waifungoda kunazi nonaka ku Zimbabwe. Oh. Tell me what you taste.
I taste something chewy.
What's the texture like? Is it hard? Is it soft?
Kind of in between.
What senga? I said what senga? Before, after you chew it.
Okay.
I'm asking. Is it soft before or after you chew it?
After.
Chaka omarara what senga? I said what senga? So can what senga it's soft, but pakutanga chaka omarara it's hard at the beginning.
Mhm.
How about the taste?
Good. The taste is good.
What about you, mister? Is it yummy?
No.
No, he's not sure. You can open your eyes now. This is found out in the forest. It is not Dohwe. It is Dohwe.
That's Dohwe.
Say Dohwe.
Dohwe.
Say Dohwe. 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 He tried. Dohwe is a sweet fruit that is found in Zimbabwe. It's like a bark that you chew, and then it has some nectar, like it becomes slimy. It's very sweet.
So
almost like a round, it comes in a ball, like a round sugar cane. You can think of it that way. But you can see,
it's basically like bubblegum?
not like bubble, maybe like more like chewing gum, because you can blow a bubble with it. So tasty. Dohwe. Say Dohwe.
Dohwe.
Dohwe. You need to chew and swallow.